A Malaysian observer said China will remain the engine of global growth as the world seeks to move past disruptions and uncertainty caused by the pandemic and regional conflicts.
You can't live without China's market these days for any multinational, any company that claims itself to be a global player. China has also come out with this global development initiative and offer to help developing countries in terms of things like digital transformation, green development, and also it is important for China to play a role in this pandemic because no country is an island. The world will continue to benefit from China's growth. A prosperous Asia Pacific is good for China. Likewise, a prosperous China will benefit Asia Pacific countries. It's where also countries should work together and see how we can complement each other.